Hello students, welcome to the online class of geography of class 8. This is the fifth class of chapter number 2, land and soil resource, and today as I already mentioned that I am going to do the map pointing in this class. So I am going to show that is the soil types that is present in our country. We know that there are 6 categories of the soil: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, lateritic soil, desert soil or arid soil, and mountain soil. So all these 6 type of the soil I am going to show it on this map. Now I am going to start with the first one, that is the mountain soil. I am just shading out the areas of northern part of our country, states of Jammu and Kashmir, then comes the that is Leh Ladakh region, then comes the Himachal, then comes the Uttarakhand region. Now this is the Nepal boundary. It is not our country, so I'm just leaving this part and I'm proceeding to the part of Sikkim. Here Sikkim and bit it is there for the northern part of West Bengal. Again it is Bhutan and it's not our country, so I'm moving from there and I'm just the northern fringes of Arunachal Pradesh. Now this entire brown zone is there showing the that is the mountain soil for our country. Now next we'll plot that is the northern plain region, that is the alluvial soil region. Now alluvial soil region, the first I am starting with Punjab, Haryana, then comes Uttar Pradesh. It's going to the part of Uttar Pradesh. Then it is covering the entire state of Bihar. It is going towards the part of Bihar. It's just in the eastern edge of Jharkhand is also there. And the western part of West Bengal, that is our district, and Bankura, that is Purulia and Bankura, is left out in West Bengal, and we are covering the entire state of West Bengal, moving towards east, going to the state of Assam. It's there in the Assam region too. Now next, it is also there in the eastern coastal plain. This part of eastern coastal plain is also having this alluvial soil type. The eastern coastal plain, it is there present over here. Now it is also there in a narrow tract of Rajasthan and parts of Gujarat. It is there in the narrow tract of Rajasthan and parts of Gujarat. This is entirely having the edge of this area is also having this alluvial soil. So hopefully it is clear that which are the states where the alluvial soil is covering our country. Now next we'll move to the lateritic soil. Okay, now we are going to move to the desert soil. Now desert soil, the part that is left out over here for the Rajasthan, this entirely is having this desert soil or arid soil. This area is being shaded out with the arid soil. So we plotted 3 soil: mountain soil, alluvial soil, and desert soil. Now next we'll move to the black soil. We'll move to the black soil. Now this part of Gujarat is left out. This is the area where the black soil is having. The black soil is also there in parts of little bit of Madhya Pradesh, edges of Chhattisgarh, coming to bit of Telangana. It is going over here in this part of Karnataka, and it is going towards this part of Maharashtra. this is entirely there in that black soil region. This is entirely covering the black soil region. Now next, we will go to the next category of the soil, that is lateritic soil. Now just see, this part of western part is left out. This edge is having the lateritic soil because it is a region of heavy rainfall. If you have read about the characteristics, it is the area where there is heavy rainfall. This part of Madhya Pradesh, here also we are having a patch of lateritic zone. This is the Chambal Basin area. In this part of Odisha also we are having a tinge of lateritic soil, the Patlan Plateau. And here also, that is the Meghalayan Plateau, where we are having the heaviest part of our world rainfall with terms of rainfall, that is the Mausinram region, Cherrapunji region, where we are having a lateritic soil. So this is the edges of the lateritic. Now the rest part that is left out, it is having a red category of the soil, that is red soil. It is having the red soil. So I'm just shading out the areas starting with Madhya Pradesh, gradually covering the parts of Madhya Pradesh. Then I'm moving towards Chhattisgarh, then Jharkhand, western part of West Bengal, Odisha, going to again Chhattisgarh, covering Odisha, then covering Telangana part, then coming to the southern part, that is Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka region, where we are having this red soil type. So this entire part I have shaded out with the red color that indicates the red soil. Now the part that is left out over here is the northeastern fringes. From here it is the coverage of the red soil that is there, coming to the stage of Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. All these are the areas where the red soil is found. So hopefully now the entire picture is clear to you. Now the two parts that is left out is the island group. This area, the southern, that is Andaman Nicobar island group, the southeast island group, it's having a black soil. This is having a black soil. And Lakshadweep is having silvery tinge of soil because the calcium concentration is very. I have shaded out over here a white patch. It indicates the silvery type of soil where the calcium concentration is maximum. Hopefully now you are able to follow the map pointing and just do the work. If you are having a map, do the shading in this order. And just one more thing I just want to mention over here. I just want to mention to follow the index. This part, this box, you will shade out like with brown, and here you will write mountain soil. Then you will use the next tinge and you will shade out the next box, and here you will write alluvial soil. In this order, all the soil will be drawn with an index so that it will be easily identified that which color indicates which type of soil. So in this order you will just make the index either on the left hand side of the map where you are getting space, or in the right hand side of the map where you are getting space. In this order, you will just make the index for all the soil types that we have plotted and that is there present in our country. Now, if you are having any sort of doubt related to this class, just mention it in the comment section. Next class will be related to your next chapter. Thank you for following today's class.